Most companies think war is a geopolitical issue. From a legal perspective, that's a dangerous mistake because the moment conflict begins, your legal risk profile changes overnight. Sanctions activate, contracts get tested, insurance may quietly stop protecting you. And in the next few minutes, I'll break down the 5 legal risks which businesses cannot afford to ignore during the geopolitical crisis. The first and foremost, and the most immediate, is the legal risk is on the economic sanctions. Governments may impose restrictions targeting countries, financial institutions, companies, and even individuals. These sanctions can restrict cross-border payments, export of goods and technology, financial transactions, access to global banking systems. Sanctions risk today is not jurisdictional, it is network-based. If your business is connected even indirectly to a sanctioned entity, you are exposed. The second dimension is the legal dimension on commercial contracts. When conflict disrupts supply chains or payments of companies turns to the force majeure clauses. But here's where many businesses get it wrong. Force majeure is not automatic. It depends on the contract wording, governing law, actual impossibility of performance, and more importantly, force majeure does not protect poor planning, it only protects genuine impossibility. The third issue is the supply chain exposure. Modern supply chains are globally interconnected and highly fragile during conflict. When disruptions occur, companies face delays, non-delivery, breach of contract, and claims. What we are seeing globally is a shift from efficiency-driven supply chains to legally resilient supply chains. Because resilience today is not just operational, it is legal. The fourth dimension is insurance, often misunderstood. Most policies contain war exclusions. Many companies discover this only after a loss, and by then it is legally too late. Finally, this is now a corporate governance issue. Boards are expected to monitor sanctions exposure, supply chain risk, regulatory compliance. And here is the shift. Geopolitical risk is no longer operational, it is board level fiduciary concern. Legal teams today are not just advisors, they are strategic decision makers. So here is the reality. Legal risk is no longer follows business, it moves with geopolitics. Wars do not just reshape borders, they reshape contracts, compliance, and corporate exposure. The companies that succeed are not just commercially strong, they are legally prepared. And that preparation begins before the crisis, not during it. If you want more insights at the intersection of the law of business and global risk, please do let us know. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.